I begin where the water meets the stone, between reconstruction and ruin, a thin line of silence. I travel not to arrive, but to cross this unsteady threshold, to follow the invisible threads that hum beneath the surface of being. Each step draws a tone, a fragment of a forgotten air. The world unfolds like a map of echoes. I walk it, tracing airs through landscape, following rhythm instead of direction. Every journey is a resonance, an air of becoming. The world keeps changing, restlessly, endlessly. Once transformation was slow, now it hums through invisible currents. Even the ruins transmit data. The wind has become electric. To film is to follow the pulse, to walk the line between memory and motion. But I don't capture images, I continue the air. Memory lives in surfaces, not in form but in texture. This house once healed the body with grapes, now it cures only illusions. Decay is not the opposite of life, it is life slowed down enough to be seen. It's fracture a word in an unwritten language. Loss is not absence, it is the echo of presence, the negative of memory. Beneath the dust, a hidden pulse. This house once hid men who refused to vanish. Every uprising begins in silence, in the breath before the shout. Even the stones resisted. They held their ground while history passed above. I film their endurance, the uprising of will against surrender. Is this resistance still possible? Perhaps adaptation isn't about moving faster, but about following stillness, not resisting the shift, but listening to how time transforms. Here, where light meets ruin, I hear the echo of a future already begun, a new architecture of becoming, rising between signal and silence. I would be witness of this future through the eyes of my grandchildren. The journey ends where the self dissolves. I came searching for meaning, found only fragments, dust, broken forms, the soft geometry of impermanence. Yet in these ruins I recognize the ancient rhythm, the air. Identity is not wholeness, it is the movement between what was and what is still audible. The stones speak. I walk, I listen, and become who I am. Saxa loquuntur. The stones speak.